Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook glazed salmon. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, then move on to crafting a simple yet flavorful glaze. Next, I'll guide you through the cooking process, ensuring your salmon is perfectly flaky and moist every time. Finally, we'll explore some fantastic serving suggestions and helpful tips to elevate your meal. Let's get cooking. For our delicious glazed salmon, you'll need 4 fresh salmon fillets, each weighing approximately 6 ounces. For the glaze, combine 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Whisk in 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger and the juice of half a lime. This balance of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors will truly make your salmon shine. Make sure to have everything ready before you begin. To achieve perfectly cooked salmon, begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Pat your salmon fillets thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for crispy skin. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in an oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the salmon, skin side down, for 3 to 4 minutes until golden. Then, transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. Once your salmon is cooked, brush any remaining glaze over the fillets for an extra burst of flavor and a beautiful sheen. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or toasted sesame seeds for added visual appeal and texture. This glazed salmon pairs wonderfully with roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a bed of fluffy white rice. Enjoy your meal immediately and store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.